Hi, I'm going to show you how Blitzz Visual Remote Assistance works inside Procore. Blitzz integrates directly into Procore, allowing field and office teams to launch live video collaboration sessions without ever leaving Procore. Let's walk through the setup and see it in action. To get started, go to App Management, select Blitzz Visual Remote Assistance and click Install. Accept the required permissions to complete the installation. After installation, go to the Configuration tab. Create a configuration to connect Blitzz with your Procore project. Select the Procore project where you want Blitzz available. Check company-level configuration if needed. Enter a title for the configuration. Under the configuration fields, paste your Blitzz API key. You can find this in the Blitzz Super Admin portal or contact Blitzz support for your domain's API key. Click Create and the integration is now connected. The configuration is active and linked to your project. Now let's see this in action. Open your Procore project and select the one where Blitzz is configured. From the Apps dropdown, select Blitzz Visual Remote Assistance. The app authenticates automatically with your Procore project using OAuth 2.0. No manual login required. Blitzz loads directly within Procore. Select the collaboration profile that matches your session type. Your team's collaboration profiles are loaded from your Blitzz account, and each profile can have different invite methods and session settings. Enter a title or reference for the session. This could be an RFI number, a punch item, or any project reference. Click Next to proceed. Now you can invite a participant to the video session. Blitzz offers 4 ways to send an invitation. You can send via SMS, WhatsApp, or email. Just enter the contact details or use the URL tab to generate a shareable link. Let's send an SMS invitation. Select the country code, enter the mobile number, and click Invite and Join. The invitation is sent to the participant, and the Blitzz agent session opens in a new tab. You're now ready for a live video collaboration session, all launched directly within Procore. When the session is complete, click End Session. You can start a new session or go back and select a different profile at any time. That's how Blitzz Visual Remote Assistance works inside Procore. As you saw, the entire setup takes just a few minutes, and your team can start launching video collaboration sessions directly from Procore. Thanks for watching.